Hello guys. Good morning. Another weekend and another destination. Guess where I am, guys? A new location update. Hi, this is on the way to White Gumba. Hi, Adeshur Bada Alikati Klampasi is on your right hand side. Hi, on the hills. Majako location, sir. So let's check this place out, guys. Hi, guys. Tropical racing camp. Bike side ma आयो भने so parking चाहिँ ठुलो छैन तर गाडी सारी र बाइकहरुलाई चाहिँ so enough spaces. And let me show you the glimpse of the restaurant, right? Tropical rest. मजाको natural vibe है एकदम हाइटमा छ पुरा जंगलको बीचमा है so ल यहाँबाट भ्यू चाहिँ बबाले छ है Kathmandu Valley को view and यो चाहिँ White Gumba को ठ्याक्कै Yellow Gumba को ठ्याक्कै पछाडि छ ल let's go up and check the bar out, guys. मजाको एकदम tropical र jungle vibe. Nice bar, coffee shop, and decor around. Oh, by the way, मेरो वाइन पनि छ यहाँ है Manang Valley. So let's go up. पुरा एकदम this is the topmost section. So this is Saturday, early morning. Busy a little bit. मजाको चिलाक्सिङ ठाउँहरु That's the bar. Right, from the rooftop overlooking below the deck. So guys, here चाहिँ हामी अहिले डेकबारको झलक मजाको छ बिहान सबैले पनि पुरा क्राउड भइसकेको छ सो बबाल ठाउँ छ coffee, hookahs, right? Drinks, this is Russian white rum, and then मजा तातो मजा चिसोमा रमै दिने विचार छम. If you are looking for draft, they've got the draft only. So now, है ल माथिको झलसपछि guys, check the place out, guys. एकदम reasonable price drinks are it's not too expensive. साथीहरु आएपछि चाहिँ I think this is a great place to kind of relax. There you go, guys. हाम्रो drinks आइसक्यो. Hi guys. अहिले चाहिँ एकदम मजाले चिल गरेर सो बुढाबुढी मेरो बुढी चाहिँ मकटेल मजाले तातो बनाएर है cheers. I'll be posting you a little more details on the food, eh? So until then, ciao. Hi guys, finally मजाको छ लोकेसन है देखिहाल्यो है. That's my beautiful अनि भ्यू है मजाको छ है. Look at the skies. Guys, that's our खाना है ल. This is your pork sequako set. We've got timber. This is gonna be our appetizers. So we're about to dig in. मेरो चाहिँ यहाँ एकदम बिहान बिहान जिउ तताउने मिठो जुस. मेरो बेबी चाहिँ यहाँ एकदम कफी खाएर छ, क्रिमी कफी. ल है केटाहरू, सो हाम्रो नास्ता सास्ता स्न्याक्स टिपिसहरू मगाएछौँ. So we'll be ordering a little more to check the place out. So far, मलाई view र location चाहिँ बबाल लाग्यो. So साथीहरू, if you are in Swoyambhu Sitapaila area, a nice place to check out that doesn't break your wallet. Hey.
Under the boughs where the shadows play, the wind hums soft.